Hey everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Wine Group Vault website to submit your displays and earn points and win prizes based on those submitted displays. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your email and follow whatever link was emailed to you to get into the sign-in page on Wine Group. It should lead you directly to a page that looks like this. If you don't already have an account, you're going to want to hit register and follow the information field here. Just fill everything out and then hit register. It might take a few days, maybe even a week for them to approve your registration. They have somebody who manually approves the registration, I would assume. So if it takes longer than a week, I would just email your wine group rep and let them know that your registration is still pending approval. That way they can get you signed up. So after you've registered and you have an account, you're going to want to enter your information in here and sign in. So here's the home page here. You can see February, wine of the month. Chloe celebrates every love story. This is what the current program is focused on. Sometimes they'll do multi-month programs based on the same product. It really just varies. So check back month to month to see if it's changed at all. But February is Chloe. So if you're gonna submit a Chloe display, you're gonna go up to New Display. And then here is just another information field. You put your first name, last name, city and state, and then your store name and store number. If you don't know your store number, what I've done in the past is, for example, a Woodman store, I just put West on there for Woodman's West, or East or Sun Prairie. If it's a chain store, you're probably going to want to put the chain number in. If you can't figure that out, I'm sure there's somebody who can let you know what your store number is. And down here is where you're going to submit your display. So you're going to enter in your case quantity on your display. For this program, they specifically have a 6 case minimum for any displays that are being submitted. So anything greater than that, you can select here. And then uploading a picture. Of course, I'm using a computer to show you this. So this is assuming that you uploaded the picture onto your computer. You just hit choose file, select the picture, and then you would just hit submit form. However, if you do have multiple displays in stores, like if you have a display in the meat department as well as the liquor department, you'd hit this button down here, enter second display, yes, and then you just fill out the same information and upload the other picture from that account there. So after that, you just hit submit form, and it might take a few days for it to process and get approved because I'm assuming somebody has to manually approve every display that is submitted. So I'd wait a few days before you start getting antsy. And then up here, there is some other things that you can take a look at. So submission gallery. If you click that, these are all of the submitted displays for this program. So as you can see, there is a big page of them so far. This is also another helpful tool because you can kind of see what other distributors are doing around different markets and how they're making their displays look if you're kind of unsure of how you want to make yours look. Um, there are chain accounts on here too, like this one's from a Target and this one's from a Kroger. So you can see what the different chains are doing as well. And then prizes, you're going to want to just hit the prizes button here, and then you can take a look at all of the different types of prizes that you can win. So there's like a Roomba, some digital picture frames, some tote bags, and some other cool stuff here. There's a second page too. So then these are all the prizes that you can win. The points that you accrue with submitting your displays don't have a direct cash value. You submit the displays and earn points in order to win these prizes here. So we'll click on one here, this Kenneth Cole suitcase. It costs 100 points. So once you have accrued 100 points and you want this item, you just say add to cart. And you can either continue shopping or you can check out. And then here's where you would check out. And you just enter your information. The payment, I would assume, it would just subtract it from your points. I haven't actually bought anything on here before. But yeah, so that's how you can order your prizes there too. If you want to take a look at where you stand, you can go to the leaderboard here. And these are the people who have submitted displays for this program so far. So as you can see, there is somebody who is leading by a pretty large margin. He's got 120 points for this program for the start of the year. And this is just a good way to see where you are comparing with all the other people who are submitting displays. So, like I said, I did do this on a computer, and this information is on a computer. It should be fairly similar when you go to submit it on a mobile device as well. But yeah, everything is fairly simple. So, that's all. Thanks.